All right, folks, my name is Nestor Suarez, and I'm here with this beautiful Diamond Back Chiavari style chair. And as you can see, most of our chairs that we ship fully assembled. However, to give you more options, we now have some of our Chiavari chairs in an unassembled form, which takes up less space in a box and allows us to provide you more affordable shipping options. In fact, in some cases we offer free shipping on some of these beautiful chairs. So now let's show you how easy it is to put these together. Let's get started. Once you unpack your Chiavari chair, you'll see lay out all the components here from the box. So you have your chair back, which is the biggest structure, the front of the legs, your spindles, and your seat, and then your screw. A little pack of screws and some true covers. So what tools will you need? Well, basically, the main thing you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. In this case, we have our little trusty drill with the Phillips head, and we also add a little rubber mallet to expedite the process. So let's get started. All right, we're going to get started with the front legs. So we're going to grab this piece. You're going to notice the two holes, and those are the receivers where you install the spindles. Now the spindles have a certain design, and what you want is for the spindles, as I install these here, they're going to have these little notches. Maybe you could kind of get that on camera. But you have these little notches here, and it's got it both on the top and bottom of the spindle, and that's so you put it in the right angle. So there are grooves inside the chair, and I'm simply going to install it. Just place it firmly, and you'll notice that on the legs, the front legs are going to be wider than the rear legs. So the spindle, you want to put it in an angle where it goes towards the middle. So for example, this would be an example of the wrong way to do it. Notice this one is facing outward, that's wrong. This one's facing inward, that's correct. So we're gonna go ahead and do it the right way. This faces internally, and we'll just quickly install these. Voila, these are placed. This is what you wanna see once you're done placing the spindles on the front leg. I'm just gonna grab the seat back and guide it over the legs. You wanna place everything first before you apply the screws. And why? In case you made a mistake, in case you have to back out something, it's a lot easier to do it at this step if you haven't screwed things in. Now I'm ready to place 1, 2, 3, 4 screws in the front and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws in the back. Get these in real quick. Now we'll do the same thing in the back. Last piece is, let's install the chair seat onto the chair. That's how easy it is to apply. Now, all we have to do is add 2 little screws here in the back. Now we've secured everything. The last finishing touch is now our screw caps. So if you notice, all our chairs have these little notches on them, and our screw caps have the same matching notches. So you want to align that, and then before we now we'll do the front. All right, folks, as you can see, this chair is complete. It's ready to party. A couple things you'll notice, we include an extra screw and an extra screw cap so that it's easy in case something falls and you can't find it. We included an extra piece just for you. And that's it, we're done, we're ready to go. So get yours today at chiavari.com.